Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sierra, and today I am joined by my mom, Lisa.
Hey, hey!
And we are going to do a little blind bag unboxing. I was sent this by Bullsitoy. It is the Nightmare Before Christmas collection, and we actually have two different styles of, like, I don't want to dump these out, but so we have two different styles of blind boxes. We have the creepy cluff. Whoa, hang on. The cluffs? We have the creepy cuffs and the squishums. Okay, they were kind enough to send 12 of each, and there are 8 characters in each collection, so hopefully we should have the full collection of each. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, at the end of this month, I'm not sure when this video is posted, it should be in the middle of it. At the end of this month, I am doing a week's worth of characters. I call it sierraween. Actually, my mom called it sierraween back the first year. This is the 10th year, and I will be posting every day for 7 days leading up to Halloween, a different character each day. I will share, I think, the shorts here on YouTube, so those little videos will be here, but if you want to check me out on Instagram, I will have that down below. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the creepy cuffs, and I'm just setting them on the table, and then I just told Mom, I was like, whichever one calls to you, you pick that up, and then we're each gonna open 6. Go ahead and choose one.
Alright.
I'm really excited. I love little blind items or whatever.
Best way to open these?
There's like, yeah. So I'll show you guys up close. So this is what the little boxes look like. And that's kind of what the idea of the creepy cuffs is. So there should be like a little perforated, yeah. Yeah, there's, yeah. Okay, and then we just have a little box.
A little tiny box with some arrows.
I got Oogie Boogie! Oh, it's, I never remember lock, shock, and barrel which one is
yeah,
which.
Exactly. Oh, how cute are they?
These are so, his arms open this way. As a 90s baby, a little slap bracelet is so fun.
Yeah, is it gonna work?
I don't know. Yeah, oh.
Oh.
Well, hang on, maybe I gotta just do it this way.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're so cute.
these are cute. I'll show you guys up close a little bit better.
Hanging on.
So this is Oogie Boogie, and his little arms open. Ah! He's so cute. And then in your little pamphlet, does it? Oh, I see it. It's his name's Locke. I think it's on the front. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Awesome.
so this is, yeah, I never know. So this is Locke with his little devil tail, and he's got black on the inside. So we're already starting off strong with these little guys. Okay, so each of the boxes comes with this little fold out thing to kind of show you the characters that you might get. Again, we're hoping to get all 8, and I think with 12 chances we stand a good chance. So all right, let's grab another one. I'm so glad I didn't put on fake nails. I would have been struggling. That would have been rough. Ah, okay, what is that noise that just came out of my body?
It was unnatural, that's for sure.
Okay, so I think her name is Shock. Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so I got Shock and Mom got Beryl.
Beryl.
He's cute with his green hair.
He is cute. His bones on his arms.
So here is Locke. She is so dang cute. And then you got Beryl. Yeah, it's gonna just,
oh yeah.
it wants to focus only on us. Oh, I just gotta block our faces. Okay, so here's Beryl, here's Locke, and then we just got, no, I'm sorry, this is Shock. Their names, I swear.
I know.
Shock and Beryl, and then we just got Locke. So now we have the little trio of troublemakers, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know. They're very cute,
They're
though.
so cute.
His little skeleton face is so cute.
Yeah, some teeth.
This would be perfect, like if you guys were going to like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween, or any kind of like trunk or treat, like something with kids. This would be really cute.
Yeah.
I have a little nephew, and
we'll be saving them for him.
We'll save them for him at some point. He'll love that. Okay, next one. Okay, it's not one to go on the perforator for me.
No.
Ah. Okay, so I got my first duplicate, but Mom got Jack Skellington.
Jack Skellington. His little striped suit.
Oh my gosh. Wait, if you open him up, does he have the...
Oh!
He's got the little bat wing thing.
Oh, that's very cute.
Okay, I'll show you guys. So here's Jack, and he's got his little bow tie. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Look, they really are.
And they're so plush.
They're very, very soft.
I'm so excited about this. Okay, so we have one duplicate, which is fine. So we got another shock. I knew we'd get duplicates, so that's okay.
Yep. You pick first.
I'll go with this one. Okay.
Figured out finally it's on the one with a hand. One with a hand.
The one with the hand. Oh, it's attached. I'm excited. Are you?
I'm excited.
Do you know what it is?
I looked.
I can't open this one. Oh my god. Okay.
What you got?
Little zeros!
The same one.
Oh, I really was excited about this one.
Oh, him's a little.
Oh, with the tail.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
There he is. He's up there.
So we both got 0, which is exciting because I think we both wanted him.
He's cute.
He is cute. Alright, so I think we just need Sally and Jack is a Sandy Claus.
Sandy Claus, yep.
Okay. Me and these perforated bits are gonna... We're gonna tussle.
Gonna tussle?
We're gonna tussle. I don't know.
Oh my god!
Okay, well we completed the collection. Oh, she's cute. I was excited to see him with his beard. Look at her.
Oh, her face is so cute.
I know, her little hair.
Aww.
I like the detail in these little guys.
I know. Yeah, her little dress is really, really cute.
That is so cute, the little buckle. Okay, I'll show you guys. We're over here just like,
Winging on.
Sally, very cute with her hair. Her dress, like, I love it. And then we got Sandy Claus. So cute.
They're so cute.
So we have 2 more, so we'll get duplicates of those, but we'll go ahead and open this, because why not?
Yeah. Alright.
What do you think it's going to be?
That is a good question. I don't know.
I don't either.
Maybe it's a jack.
Feel like a jack? I feel like a jack, too.
Oh god, what a 3 jack.
I don't know. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we gotta see that!
We just got the same
Exactly
ones we
what
just
we
did
just
the
did.
last time. So we got another Sally and another Sandy Claus.
Sandy Claus.
Those are so cute.
They're cute.
Okay, so I'll show you guys all of them up close, and then we will move on to the Squishums. I'm like just throwing stuff.
I know.
Okay, so here they all are. I just think they're so cute. Mom and I were just talking about how freaking adorable they are, and I'm gonna save them because I think Weston will love them when he gets older. And here's our little duplicates. So there they are all together. So cute. Okay, so we're just gonna do the same thing, whichever one speaks to us. Actually, have not seen these yet. I mean, they have just like little cartoon versions on the box. Like, I'll show you guys the box while we're here. So these are the Squishums. So there are also 8 of these, and yeah, I'm excited. They're like little stress ball foam squishy things, which as the holidays come up, I think we could all use a stress ball.
Yes,
Zhuzh these bad boys around. Okay, would you like to pick the first one?
Okay. Go with this one.
Okay, get this one. Also, I will say, these are for ages 6 and up, just if anybody was wondering. Well, that comes off a little easier than the other one did.
Yeah, it's popped up much better.
Okay. You got Santa! That's so cute!
Ooh,
I got
they
Sally.
Are squishy too. Probably can't see it.
I'll show up close. Oh!
Yeah, they get really misformed.
Oh, that is nice. Oh, he's got a lollipop?
Yes, yes he does.
That's so cute. Okay, I'll show you guys. So we got Santa and Sally to begin with. He has a little lollipop. This is so cute. And so this is kind of what they look like. And they are just like really squishy. This is so fun. I feel like I'm gonna keep one of these like at work or like in my purse and just like, I don't know, that is so satisfying. Like, hang on. Just, yes. So they come back pretty quick, but these are cute. I didn't know that Santa was a part of it.
So it's all the same characters, just in a squishy form.
Except we get actual Santa instead
that's
of
true. That's
Sandy Claus. But,
Yep.
okay,
Yep.
cool. Well, this one was very cute. All right, cute. So, yeah. So, like she said, oh, look, they even have it where you can just, like, check it off your list if you collect these little guys. So, yeah. So, you got the new one.
Yes.
That's exciting.
That's exciting.
That is exciting. How do you do that so easily?
Well, now I know what side it is, so I can just jump in there. Oh.
Oh, I got 0.
This is Lock, right? Lock?
Lock. And he's wearing his mask. So
Oh,
Lock,
yeah,
Shock,
yeah,
and
yeah.
Barrel were not wearing their mask in the Creepy Cuff version, but in
Right.
the Squishums they are, so that's kind of a fun, different little thing.
Yep.
Cute. So here is Lock. These are so cute. They're so soft, too. And 0, I love his little tail. Again, I'm sorry about my color stained fingers, good God. These are so cute.
They are. Look at them.
They just feel nice.
Yeah, they do.
I'm very much like a texture person.
Yes.
And so anything that's like soft and squishy, I will squish it forever. I'll go with this one.
Okay. You're just upside down.
I know. Oh, they're so cute.
Yay.
So we got Barrel and Oogie Boogie this time. They're so squishy.
So squishy.
I love them. So here they are. Again, they're wearing their mask, which I think is really fun. So if you collect both, you have like a little different version of each. Oogie Boogie also has like a little metallic look to his threads. Love, just, oh my God. Oh God. They're so cute. They're so cute.
Very squishy.
Okay,
Live up to the name.
go ahead and pick your next one. Oh, look at me go. She got a technique now. Did you get another new one? Oh dang, I got.
Okay, we got Jack to go with her.
Oh look, Jack and Sally. Well, I got a duplicate, so we got another Sally.
He's cute.
But Mom got a little Jack. Look at him with his little hands on his hips. He's like, now what's going on?
He got a little sass.
He does have a little sass. He's a little top heavy, but he's very cute. He's very cute.
Yep, he is.
Aww, love. Okay, so we got 4 more. So go ahead and pick your next one.
Grab the farthest one out.
Okay. Oh, duplicates.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Not looking good.
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we just need. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We just need one more. Which one are we missing? Yes. Okay, so we got Oogie Boogie and Lock again, which is fine. They're very cute. Which now we just need Shock. So we're crossing our fingers that in one of these 2 boxes. I'm a little nervous actually. Why am I nervous?
You want the whole collection.
Oh, thank goodness. I got another 0.
Who's definitely holding her breath.
I was for sure.
Oh, cute, cute.
They're so cute. Ah! Okay, so we got another 0, but Mom got shocked. She looks so funny with her little hat. You gotta squish it down. She normally has her little witch hat, but you know, just for a squishy purpose, she's gotta be able to squish. So she's got her purple hair, very cute. So yes, okay, I'm very happy we got the full set. They're all so cute. I'm gonna show you guys again all of them together. So let's do that right now. All right, so we have Lock, Shock, and Barrel, Santa, Jack, Sally, Oogie Boogie, and 0, and our little duplicate babies, but they're so stinking cute, and they're squishy. Mom, would you like to squish one more time?
Who do we want to squish? Let's squish him. He's cute.
He's cute. Oh yeah. It comes back so nicely.
It does. Right back to normal.
So cute. Okay, so that is our blind box unboxing. Thank you again to Bullsitoy for sending these over. We had a lot of fun.
We did. It was been a lot of fun.
Did you have a favorite? Do you like one over the other, like the squish or the cuff?
I really don't, because they're all very squishy. The
They're so
cuffs
soft.
are super soft.
Yes.
Really, really cute. No, they're just really well done.
Yeah, I agree. I think they're very fun, very soft. Definitely great for kids. I mean, I like these kind of things too, but they're great for small kids as well.
Great for the workplace.
Great for the workplace. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, join my creepy little corner of the internet. I think we're about to do a quick little switch over to Christmas.
It's that time.
It's that time. So November and December, I'll do more holiday themed videos, and then come January, we will get back to our spooky little self. I'll probably mix in a little bit of spook over the next 2 months because that's just who I am. But
Christmas can be creepy.
Creepmas.
Creepy.
Creepmas. So I will be sure to post some videos for that, but if you guys are into that or want to stick around, please subscribe. I would love to have you back, and thank you, Mom, for hanging out.
You're welcome. I had fun.
It would have been a lot by myself, so appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys!